What if you could run a powerful AI model right on your own computer with a single command? No API key, no cloud bill, no data leaving your machine. In this tutorial, we'll use Ollama to run open-source AI models locally, and by the end you'll have a working local AI in under 10 minutes. Ollama is a free, open-source tool that makes running large language models on your own hardware dead simple. It handles everything: downloading model weights, managing GPU and CPU resources, and exposing a local API that works just like OpenAI's. You get the same chat interface you're used to, but running entirely on your machine. Ollama supports Mac, Linux, and Windows. It works great on Apple Silicon Macs, modern NVIDIA GPUs, and even CPU-only machines for smaller models. Installing Ollama takes about 30 seconds. On Mac, go to Ollama.com and download the app, drag it to Applications, and you're done. On Linux, run curl fsSL https://ollama.com/install. // that's a one-liner that installs everything. On Windows, download the installer from Ollama.com and run it. Once installed, Ollama runs as a background service on port 11434. You can verify it's running by opening a terminal and typing Ollama list. You'll see your installed models, which will be empty for now. Now let's run a model. Open your terminal and type Ollama run Llama 3.2. Ollama will download the model, about 2 GB for Llama 3.23b, and drop you into an interactive chat. Type any message and press enter. You'll get a response in seconds, running entirely locally. Want to try a different model? Type Ollama run Mistral for Mistral 7b, or Ollama run Phi 3 for Microsoft's Phi 3 Mini, which is fast and lightweight. To see all available models, visit Ollama.com/library. There are hundreds. To exit the chat, type bye. Here's where it gets powerful for developers. Ollama exposes a REST API at localhost port 11434. You can call it from any language. In Python, just use the request library. Send a post to http://localhost 11434/API/generate with your model name and prompt. You get back a streaming JSON response. Even better, Ollama is compatible with the OpenAI Python SDK. Just change the base URL from API, OpenAI.com to localhost 11434/v1 and use any model name you've installed. All your existing OpenAI code works without modification. This makes it incredibly easy to switch between local and cloud models. Which model should you use? It depends on your hardware. For 8 GB of RAM, try Llama 3.23b or Phi 3 Mini, fast responses, good for coding and QA. For 16 GB, Llama 3.28b or Mistral 7b give you significantly better quality. For 32 GB or an NVIDIA GPU with 12 plus VRAM, Llama 3.170b quantized or Mixtral 8x7b deliver near GPT-4 quality. The rule of thumb: if the model fits entirely in RAM or VRAM, it runs fast. If it has to swap to disk, it'll be slow. Start with a smaller model and size up only if you need better output. So what can you actually do with this? 4 real use cases. 1. Private Code Assistant. Point V's codes continue extension at your local Ollama and get AI autocomplete with zero data leaving your machine. 2. Confidential document Q&A, process sensitive files without sending them to any cloud API. 3. Offline development and testing, build and test AI features without internet or API costs. 4. Fine-tuned specialist models, pull a model specifically fine-tuned for medical, legal, or finance domains. Local AI isn't just a privacy win, it's a development superpower. That's Ollama, local AI, in under 10 minutes. If you want to go deeper on open source models, check our previous video on why open source AI matters, linked above. Subscribe for more practical AI tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.